Alright guys, let's get more work done to the B7 RS4. Today, I want to install some side skirts that I bought along with the front lip for the B7 RS4, coming from the same brand as the front lip. It's the Maxton design side skirt you can see in this box here. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys what the side skirts look like. Alright, so here they are, also in gloss black like the front lip. It would have been nice to find a real carbon fiber side skirt, but at this time I couldn't find any for a decent price and look as good as these from, based off pictures when these were installed on other people's cars, because I just want simple, nothing too flashy and extensive when it comes to the side skirts. But it comes with some stickers, hardware, looks like some self-tapping screws, and a little instructions there. So let's go and get these guys installed. So my plan is to actually first install one side completely, show you guys the difference between one side with the side skirt and the other side without the side skirts, and then show you guys how I did it on the other side by installing the other side skirt. So let me go ahead and fully mount one side first. All right guys, damn, it's kind of hot out here, but before I get these side skirts installed, I would just like to ask for a favor for if you guys can help my channel grow. All you guys gotta do is subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button right under this video here. And also comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. And of course, make sure you guys like this video if you guys find it helpful. Thanks guys. All right guys, so passenger side skirt are fully mounted and secured. There you guys see it. There it is. Looks pretty nice. Matches the front lining of the front lip pretty good. So that's with, and then on the driver's side here, without side skirt, and back over here again with side skirt. Let me show you from it. Let me show you it from the back and see if you guys can see more. There you go. Pretty easy to mount it up. The only difficult thing is, of course, lining it as even as possible, and then of course leveling it as easy as possible. I don't even think mine is correctly leveled, but you could barely tell. So now let me show you how to install it on the driver's side. So the instructions here says it came with a total of 20 pieces of screws, 10 for each side, and it's also said here to apply glue, but I did not use glue. I actually went to the store to go buy 2 rolls of this 3M double-sided tape. But here it says specifically for molding. Anyways, this is 5 foot long, and I use 1 for each side. So I'm gonna show you where I put those shortly here. But first thing to do is lift it up and then mock it up. So let me get that started. Okay, car is jacked up, ready to get this all mounted and mocked up. But on each of the side skirt, it'll show you an arrow to tell you which part of the side skirt is front, so that you can determine which side skirt is for which side. So I already mounted up that side, and this is the one on the left. So of course it's gonna be for driver's side, but you see how it shows you the arrow here. So it goes like this. So let me get this all mocked up and then show you right after I get it mocked up. Okay, so I have my small little jack to help me push it up against the side of the side skirt of the RS4. Like I said before, the way that these are designed, the grooves on this Maxton design side skirt will help you find and it fit nice and flush on the stock side skirt here. So all you gotta do is find the spot, find the sweet spot that it sits nice and flush, and then you can start mounting it up. So let me go ahead and start mounting it up now. So what I do is, of course, leave the protective film first. Don't peel that off until you're ready to officially mount the the whole side skirt. So what I did is first I'll try and even the side skirt with each end of the side of the car, or you know, where the side skirt end. There's gonna be a little gap on each end, but I try to even it as much as possible. So this side, and of course this side here, which is actually pretty close to where I want it. And then after I get that up, I find a sweet spot of where the Maxton side skirt sits flush and nice and tight against the stock side skirt, and then start drilling it onto the car. I started to drill actually up front here and then work my way all the way down towards the back. But I don't put all of them, I just put like half of the screws. So I, you know, mount it, like trying to mount it evenly, half screws, like 5 screws first, and then do the rest 5 after getting that sorted out. So let me go ahead and do the initial mount up and then show you guys how it looks. All right, so now it's initially mounted up using only 5 screws. Started at the very beginning up here, see that screw, and then just screwing 5 of them as evenly across, and then the remaining 5 just in the middle of those, each of those screws, to finalize the mounting. But also before that, I'm going to apply double-sided tape, because like I said, the instruction says to apply glue, but I actually preferred the double-sided tape. So now I feel like we're ready to officially mount this up. So before I do that, I need to clean the side skirt off, because it needs to be clean so that it has a better adhesive to double-sided tape, and also peel off the protective film from the side skirt, the Maxton side skirts. So let me take that back off and show you where I'm gonna put the double-sided tape on the Maxton side skirts. Okay, so just finished applying the double-sided tape. I have 3 long strips in the center and 2 small strips at the very end, so that I can have maximum security when it sticks to the car. And also just cleaned the bottom of the stock side skirt. So now the Maxton side skirts are ready to officially be installed. So let me finish installing this and then show you guys the final product after. All right, side skirt fully mounted. Let me show you what it looks like underneath. See the screws there running all along the side skirts, and I have the double-sided tape too, kind of like on the other side of the side skirt to help hold it down more secured. So let me drop the car, pull it out outside, and let me show you what it looks like out in the sun. All right guys, just pull it out and there it is. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments down below this video. Actually matches up with the front very, very good. Show you on this side. Look at that, super nice. So I bought the front and the sides together. Now I just need to find a rear. I actually have a rear diffuser in mind, and I was thinking about a spoiler, but I actually changed my mind on a top duckbill spoiler. I'm just going to get a nice carbon rear diffuser and actually replace this one with a carbon piece too. And I found someone on Instagram that actually makes them, so hopefully I can get those soon. I know that it's just gonna be pricey, but that's what I want. Like I said in this video, I prefer to have a carbon side skirt and front lip, but at this time I couldn't find anybody that makes a good looking set of side skirt and front carbon splitter. So this will do for now, but I'm liking the look. What do you guys think? All right guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. Just a reminder, if you guys want to get a set of this side skirt, they are the Maxton design side skirts specifically for the B7 RS4. If you guys have any further questions or details on how I did the install, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Anyways, just want to say, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to help support my channel. Comment your sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and like this video if you guys find it helpful. Thanks guys. I will see you guys in the next video.